give my reaction on the governor's address. It is convention that political parties have to react after governor addresses the house. Similar convention is there in parliament. After President of India addresses the house, reactions are given by political parties. So therefore, to give my reaction to the address of Goa Governor, I am before you. At the outset, I would like to convey the good wishes of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee for the speedy recovery of the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar. GPCC feels that he should take full treatment in the hospital as may be advised. People of Goa are anxiously waiting for his full recovery. And if need be, he may be shifted to a foreign country as may be advised by his doctor. We all wish him
shifted to
a foreign country if he is advised.
For further treatment.
For further treatment. It is in this context that I am told that CLP has agreed for reducing the period of this session to 4 days. 4 days or 3 days, somewhere it has come at 3 days. 4 days, let us suppose. And there was no problem for agreeing to that reduction. Only thing is that I would like to suggest that the same number of days which were there scheduled should be available to the members, say in March or latest in April. These days should not be reduced. Number of days which were available to the assembly members for putting the grievances, asking questions, etc. Those numbers should be available.
March or April you are saying, no?
Otherwise March, April, whatever the speaker may think proper. So that assembly business does not suffer. And I think even ruling party will agree to this. I don't know when they have this. Some people say that session will be held in monsoon. If so monsoon, then what about monsoon session? So therefore, it should be, this session should be shifted to a further period of same number of days. This is the opinion. Now, I would like to go through some parts of the governor's speech. I am not aware as to why the full text of the speech was not read. It's up to her. But abruptly it was ended, not by governor herself, but speaker announced that remaining para so and so will be considered to have been read. You have no objection. The question is, protocol demands that this thing should be mentioned by the governor herself, that other paras may be deemed to have been read, whatever may be the reasons. Now, conventionally, when governor's address is there, you have to point out what are the key issues she has not addressed. I think governor should have referred to the mining issues.
Forget the governor. What about you? Is the Congress still divided over the issue of auctioning?
Congress is not divided. There was CLP decision was there on that day.
There was no
pronounced-
decision, sir. They said the decision would be taken later.
No, no. Decision been taken. It was pronounced by Pratap Singh Rane that we are opposed to auctioning.